we're doing something pretty special today, and I say we because I'm going to pick up Blaine from Blaine's Motors. You should check out his YouTube. I'll link it down in the description. But we are headed to Utah to the Off-Road Record Games, hosted by Matt's Off-Road Recovery, one of our favorite YouTubers. So we're taking the TDI Ranger there, as you can see, and hopefully it'll make it. I think it will. I've taken on a couple cross-country ventures before, did just fine. But yeah, we're gonna head to Utah. So there he is.
Good morning.
Good morning. Looks like you're all ready to go, man.
Yes, very much so. Got the drone, backpack, duffel bag. That should do it.
You think it'll all fit? Oh, we got plenty of room.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Amen. Alrighty. Let's see here. So, for this cross-country trip, we've got pretty much everything. I did an oil change, topped off all the fluids, did like a once-over. The truck should be fine. I got new LED headlights, and they're super bright so far, and they should work pretty good. And yeah. Are you ready to go to Utah?
Very ready. Super excited.
Alrighty. Boom. We're in Utah. Oh, actually, no, there's the sign. There's two signs. Hold up. Wait a minute. Welcome to Utah.
There it is.
Boom. We're officially in Utah.
Officially?
We're, what, 5 hours in?
Yeah, something like that. It's almost 9.
9
We
o'clock.
should be there at like 2 o'clock, hopefully. So we just drove about halfway across Colorado. Now we got to go from the top northeast corner of Utah to the complete southwest side of Utah. So we got to drive across the whole state right now. It's like 9. Hopefully we'll get there around 2, probably 2:30.
So, what is it like cross country in a TDI swapped Ranger, diesel Ranger in fact? Number one, the stack makes a ton of noise. It is noisy in here, lots of drone.
There is a lot of drone. We have to kind of yell to talk to each other, it seems
Yes,
like.
it's loud. But, so far, we're cruising at 85 miles an hour, doing 2,500 RPM. EGTs are sitting at 600. Perfect, just cruising. We're at 80 miles an hour, 2,500 RPM. But yeah, we're cruising. 5 PSI boost, 600 degrees of EGT. Not the best fuel economy because we're kind of going up hills, kind of pushing it, kind of hit the boost. But
We've been flying too, so.
yeah, and it'll do 90, 95 at 3,000 RPM, but you don't really want to do that the whole way, because then the EGTs get to about 900, and then you got to kind of back off, let it cool down. Whoa,
Is that sign purple or is that your lights?
that's the sign. It's a purple sign. As a cross-country vehicle, it's fine if I didn't have the stack. It's just a little loud.
Yeah, that's about it though.
Yeah, so far so good. Way away from home. So.
We do have tools, and a lot of tools, and diesel and duct tape and zip ties.
I forgot to fill up the extra can of diesel. We
Okay.
do not have diesel.
Apparently we don't have diesel. We do have tools though. I brought ether, so maybe we can all the way to a gas station. I brought hose clamps in case you pop a boost tube, zip ties, sockets, wrenches, all sorts of different.
Be fine. And worst comes to worst, we will walk. We can. We have legs.
We have legs. I have a broken foot, but I brought my broken foot boot, so I'm ready.
Not bad.
So it costs us $60 to drive.
We did 400 miles.
400 and some miles, but we were cooking,
We
so
were cooking. Not the greatest fuel economy, but
not bad.
not.
15 gallons for.
We still had 2 gallons left,
So we're halfway. Next stop, Huracan.
Huracan should arrive in 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Here we go. So it is day 1 of Matt's Off-Road Wrecker Games. We got to Utah late last night. Around 2 a.m. It's like 8 now. We're headed there, and I can't hear anything from this loud truck. The bed stack for 12 hours. It's worse than I thought it'd be. But we are here.
We're here in Huracan.
Headed to Sand Hollow. So.
Which, by the way, elevation is 3,000 feet. Major power difference. It's kind of crazy, actually. The elevation. Actually, somewhat fast. But yeah, weather. Let's do a. What's the weather? Weather report.
It's like 40, 45 maybe.
Yeah, a little slightly cloudy, a little sunny.
It's supposed to be 60, so we'll see if it warms up for that or not.
Remember the golden nugget? I like being
Were they allowed to bring anything besides spring paint?
Let's see. Here we go. Get up on stage.
Yeah, let's
Maybe
go
I
on
can
over.
see more.
No.
I see some green tires. That's for sure.
Up.
Maybe.
That's
Maybe.
it.
I mean,
Wow. No, they got black. They got yellow. They are going to find out how much longer they've gotten. So they.
I think it's pretty neat.
I think it's a little too much weight.
A little bit, but that's part of the game, so I don't know why they said they're going to take off the Morvair, but it's part of the game. That's the point.
I don't know. They didn't make it that far. Oh, Blaine. I don't think we're used to sand. No, this is not what we're used to. We don't know. We don't know the best way to.
I can do snow, ice, rocks, but sand. Not so sure about that.
No, not at all. Look at this. He's just digging over there. Took out the mirror and the headlights. I'm gonna buy a sandwich. Then give it all. We have a new favorite truck. This guy right here. He's getting on the dyno. What do you think he's gonna run, Blaine?
200 horse. That's my guess.
200. I'm gonna give him 230. 230. I think that's pretty fair.
I'm assuming it's a 454. It's worn out. 200 horse. Seems reasonable.
All right, 301 horsepower.
301 horsepower.
All right.
Holy crap. That's impressive.
Way better than I thought.
Oh yeah, way better. we got confirmation it was not 301 horsepower.
It was what, 197?
197.
So I won. I said 200 horse. So
Or 190, 160 something.
I thought it was 197.
I don't know.
Anyways, I win. Still
Good.
a cool truck though.
Yeah,
I love
awesome.
that truck. It's maybe because it reminds me of my old dually, because I had a red dually flatbed like that. It was an 85 Ford F350. Anyways, I like that truck a lot. It's cool.
Yeah.
Super.
Matt's Off-Road Record Games day 1. They finished competition, so Blaine and I are thinking we're gonna take the truck out on the dunes, see how it'll do. Check it out. Got a flag. Thanks to Matt's Off-Road Recovery. And everyone's telling us we have to air down, so we're gonna air down and hopefully not get stuck. But if we get stuck, there's plenty of people here that know what they're doing. So
Roughly about 5,000, but a lot of them left. So
I don't know how much we should take out.
I think you should have 10 pounds.
We don't have an air gauge, so we're going.
Kick them till they're good.
I think we'll be fine. You know, we've got plenty of power. We'll just spin out of all of our situations, so should be fine.
Watch out for rocks, Dave. Dude, I saw the flag.
Yeah.
You spun around. I saw the flag whip, and I thought something was flying out of the bed. So I like dodged.
Dude, it's so weird when you drive. It's like, I don't know. It's like you have grip, but
It looks good. This is pretty cool. I mean, coming from Colorado, where it's just rocks and mountains, and, rough terrain. It's kind of cool.
yeah,
In
it's
the
soft.
sand. Yeah.
It's very smooth when you're driving, and then you hit like a rock that you don't see it. And bam.
Yeah. So we'll be good for tomorrow, because the event tomorrow is going to be up in the 777, which is apparently up there. And they're like, yeah, you can walk or whatever. And they said, well, you can drive too. And I'm like, so we should be good to drive up there tomorrow. So that'll be fun.
And I mean, we're in t-shirts. I mean, it's
Yeah.
crazy to think, you know, back home it's snowing, so
Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this.